Welcome to our kitchen. Today, we're making the perfect pancakes. Fluffy and delicious. Let's get started. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 1 cup of milk, 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a large bowl, combine the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Mix well. Cut to another bowl with wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together the milk, egg, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Cut to combining the mixtures. Now, pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Gently mix until combined. Don't overmix. Lumps are okay. Cut to stove with a heated pan. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Lightly grease it with butter or oil. Cut to pouring batter into the pan. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter onto the pan for each pancake. Cook until bubbles form on the surface. This takes about 2–3 minutes. Cut to flipping the pancake. Flip the pancake and cook for another 1–2 minutes until golden brown. Cut to stack of pancakes on a plate. Repeat with the remaining batter. Now, look at those perfect, fluffy pancakes. Cut to adding toppings. Top your pancakes with your favorite toppings. Fresh berries, maple syrup, whipped cream. The choices are endless. Cut to final shot of a fork cutting into the pancake. Enjoy your fluffy and delicious pancakes. Perfect for any breakfast or brunch. Subscribe for more recipes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. See you next time.